Well, don't tell them about this
There you
house.
go.
Hi.
Baby Charlie's in the pool.
The baby's in the pool.
What do you guys think of her first pool experience?
Huh? Look at the baby in the pool.
Huh?
Huh?
Do you guys think she likes it?
Yeah. Is it deep?
It's not very deep.
Not real deep. It's okay. There's 2 steps there, see?
Baby Charlie barely got her bathing suit on. It was really tight.
It's 2 steps deep,
I don't know if that
Emily.
bathing suit's gonna
Yeah.
get around or
Yeah, I
not.
know.
I think that's about it. Huh?
Yeah, really.
Baby in the pool.
The baby's in the pool.
In the pool.
There's Uncle
Likes
Brian.
the bath?
Oh yeah, she loves
He
that.
should. I think that's a big difference too. If the baby don't like the bath,
Oh, she loves the
Yeah.
bath.
yeah. Hello, baby. Hello.
You have a mommy has to get it.
Okay, now how many weeks is she?
She is going into her 9th week. She's going to be 2 months on Wednesday.
Boy, when you finally get to like 6 months, it's just so much of a change. It's amazing.
She is. She has so much body. I wouldn't call it fat, but she just does a backflip bit on her own.
Don't
almost.
get water in her ears though, honey.
I know.
Her ears are in the water.
Yeah.
Emily, come here.
Perfect.
Yeah, don't worry. We'd have to go in.
There's Aunt Audra too.
Well, Sean, we're hoping to pull this off.
Yeah, I'm hoping you do too.
My commute would be extended.
If not, we're not going to be happy.
Yeah, I can see it.
Baby Charlie. Charlotte, what do you think of the water?
Hey, got your boats over there too.
You like swimming?
Hey, Chloe, got your boat over there too. You see the boat?
Yeah.
Yeah.
The queen, that's the princess.
Chloe, come here, honey.
Whoever gets the
Oh, you know what? The pizza man
Hi.
will be at 12:30.
Hi,
The
Charlotte.
doorbell or something. You know,
Hi, baby girl.
But
And where's the money?
Hey, baby girl.
my wallet.
Are you swimming with Daddy?
Your purse.
We're just
I'll
lounging.
get
Are you
out.
swimming with Daddy?
Huh?
What's the total? Chloe,
What's what?
the total.
It was like 36. I know I have 20s, but I don't know if I have.
She said that swimsuit is quite tight on me. I think before we go to Vegas, we'll be buying her a new swimsuit. What do you think, Daddy?
I'm thinking so.
Yeah, I think so.
See, we do need a pool at the house. See, Mama?
Yeah. So yeah, Daddy, we need a pool at the house.
Yeah. Oh, Daddy.
I run down to Toys R Us and pick one of those up.
Yeah,
I think they got
right.
them there.